Hi, I'm Matt Thom, a contributor here at the Motley. Today I'd like to talk about one stock that I like in the coal industry. We recently saw a number of different things come out, and coal stocks really get hammered. The GDP growth in China falling, and how that's going to affect demand for coal in the country. And we also heard Obama talking about how he wants to have the EPA and really wants some regulation crackdown on carbon emissions from coal-fired power plants. With all that said, I think there is still one place and still one company in the industry that any investor can get in and probably do well with in the long run. Let's look at Peabody. We'll look at Peabody, Consol Energy, Alpha Natural Resources, and Arch Coal. Out of the four of them, like I said, there's one that I really like, but let's go through each one real quick. Peabody, to me, while they are the biggest or have the most revenue coming in every month, or on a yearly basis, they also have the largest amount of debt. It's around $6 billion currently, and free cash flow being under $1 billion really makes me concerned with slowdown in demand, dropping coal prices, how they're going to be able to service that debt in the long run. So that one, I'm scratching that off the board. Alpha Natural Resources and Arch Coal, both fairly smaller companies, not nearly as much high revenue or anything like that. But some problems there is they have running negative margins right now, and they're also they're both also running a negative return on equity, which again scares me, especially if we start seeing a slowdown with demand and a drop in coal prices. So the one stock that I am looking at and I do kind of like right now is Consol Energy. Their balance sheet better than the other two. They're running not negative in anything really. They have a little bit of debt, but it's not too scary. It's not too massive. But what really excites me about Consol and what really gets my interest is the fact that they're diversified into natural gas. If we do see a decline in coal and we see a decline in coal prices and decline in energy utility companies using coal burning power plants, Consol can swoop right in, and they have a natural gas plant. So they can basically take their customers that they were selling coal to and step right in and start selling them natural gas without changing vendors, without changing any of that, making it very seamless for the client and the customer. This really sparks my interest. The company's been doing this for a number of years. They diversified a number of years ago and really started moving into this. This isn't something that they just started yesterday or just started a couple months ago. They're really good at it. They know what they're doing. They're intelligent. Like I said, their balance sheet, everything else looks good. And if we do see a slide in coal prices and everything like that, the company shouldn't be hurt as dramatically as the other three. That's all I have today. For more about the industry, the coal industry, check out Fool.com.